In my course, you can see how I make a track from start to finish, all the elements that I put in day to day in the studio, as much tips and tricks as possible, and hopefully some come useful into your own productions. The bit I find most enjoyable is taking a sound and turning it upside down into something completely different to what it started as. I see every sound as a challenge to get the most out of what I have in front of me, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes you can end up with the greatest sound you've ever come across through an accident or a process that you just go through normally.